All right. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited today. I decided to try out some off-roading with the Can-Am Ryker today. There's a little dirt patch kind of off the road. I've seen people use it before, so I said, hey, why not? Let's get a little aggressive. Let's get a little funky with it. Let's get a little jiggy. So I definitely tried it out. I had a blast. So here is the video. And again, thank y'all for watching, and I hope you enjoy.